WMF Elevation 10 Milk Cooler Installation. Remove the rubber stud cover on the side of the cooler. Now remove the plug-in clean adapter from the milk hose. Feed the milk hose through the side opening into the interior of the cooler. Now reattach the adapter to the milk hose. Then attach the milk hose with the adapter to the milk container. Plug the cooler's power cord into an outlet, connect the power cable to the cooler, and turn it on using the toggle switch on the back. The cooler's display now lights up. Set the desired temperature now. To do this, tap the display, select the settings icon, and use the arrow keys to set the temperature. Confirm your selection again by tapping the settings icon. The cooler is now cooling down to the desired temperature. Your milk cooler is now ready to use.